Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about Empower Financing and its complete application process. Empower Financing is an NBFC, which is non-banking financial company which gives loans to the students who are going to study in US or Canada. Empower Financing is completely non-collateral and it doesn't require any cosigner. So the people who wants to study in abroad and who don't have assets can use this opportunity well. Without delaying, let's get started. So first of all, after getting I-20, we have to check whether our college is eligible for Empower Financing loan or not. I am giving the link in the bio section to check whether your college is eligible to get Empower loan or not. I am giving this link. You can search here like your college name. You can get the name whether your college is eligible for Empower Financing or not. So after getting confirmed that your college is eligible, the link provided below is application link, so you can click that link and start the application process. This is the interface that you will see after clicking the below link. So let's get started. First of all, give your name, for example sample one Kumar, for example, and give your mail ID. It's like it will take around 10 minutes to apply the loan, and you will get immediate status whether you will get accepted or denied. Click next. Generally we will get I-20. So what's our current position is, I have been accepted the school but haven't enrolled. Generally every people having this situation at the time. So click this option and press next and enter your college or university name and click next. Yeah, what you are going to study, is that masters or PhD, or it will provide loan to this all kinds of education purposes. So generally we are going to study masters, so click masters and estimate completion of your masters. You can find in I-20 the master's completion is 2025 December, and start date it is also you can find in the your I-20 and click next. You are citizen of India, so next. Accept the terms and conditions of Empower Financing and agree and continue. It will check whether you are eligible or not within a seconds. It's showing that congratulations, you are eligible, so you can continue our application process. Just enter our details completely. So if you want to enter additional man, enter, or otherwise leave it. Enter your phone number, and do you want to WhatsApp contest? So if you want yes, you can press yes. And what's your DOB? You can enter DOB and click next. And your passport country is India, and enter your address. It's like 1-15/23 Willow Court, Hyderabad. You can enter your country and state. Next. Do you having mailing address in United States? Generally we don't have a mailing address in United States because we are going to United States. So at the point of time we don't have mailing address, so please press no. Next. and we are not the citizen of United States, so non-citizen. Next, do you already have a visa to study in United States? If you get a visa accepted, so please press yes, otherwise please press no. Generally everyone having a visa, so the people who get visa only will apply for this loan, so please press yes. And F1 student visa, do you have social security? Please press no, you don't have social security number. Reference, enter any one of your friends name, uh, mail id. It's like raghu@gmail.com. Sorry. Yeah, I guess mobile number plus 91. Yeah, please just continue, and please read the accept disclosure, accept the terms and conditions of Empower Financing, and press next. And verify what are you studying, type primary major. If you are studying in computer science, enter computer science, or other uh, other branches enter. Are you getting dual degree? No. Is your major in field of science and technology STEM? Yes, of course. Next, on campus where you are going to study, it's like online college or on campus or hybrid, and press next. What is your grade level when you are entering to USA? So you are starting your education, so it's first year of your graduation, so please select first year and press next. And it's full-time education. Please, have you studied or received any degree? If you are study previously in the USA, you can press yes, or otherwise no, and please press yes. And enter your GRE or TOEFL other marks. If you taken these exams, please select and enter your marks. I haven't taken, so I'm pressing haven't taken, and I taken Duolingo, so I'm entering the Duolingo test score now. It's 120, and click next. uh, your employment history. If you are employed, you have to click I am currently employed, or I am employed, and enter your employment details. I have no employment history, so entering I'm no employment history. Do you have a future job offer? No, I don't have future job offer. We don't have job offer in the United States. We are going for study purpose, right? So this was the main section. Enter your tuition fees. This is the total estimated cost for 1 year. Generally Empower Financing ask for school education tuition fees along with living expenses or additional costs like insurance. So it will provide fund for each and every aspect which they are provided here. You can ask them for how much you want for living expenses and tuition costs. For 1 year, you can see in your I-20, it's like I'm entering $20,000 for 1 year. Living expenses, I'm taking $10,000 per 1 year for living expenses. Additional costs, I don't have additional costs. Health insurance, I'm taking 2,000, and clicking next. Yeah, my financial plan. So I have entered, it's like 20,000. I mean, they have given 44,000 to complete my master's program. So they are asking some questions here. Do you have any scholarships? uh, no. If you have scholarships, if you enter the scholarship amount, the sanction from the sanction amount, that amount would be deducted, so that's why I'm entering no. And do you have a sponsor funding? No. If you have a sponsor like your father, you can enter the amount, but from the total amount which they are sanctioned, the amount you have entered would be deducted, and so that's why I'm entering no. Do you have personal savings? No. Are your friends or family providing funds? No. Have you paid advance for program you are applying? No. Will you be using any non-member? No. So please press no for everything and save and continue. Yeah. Funding gap. This amount represents the gap between your cost and existing funding resources. This is the amount that they have sanctioned to me. So confirm and continue. Enter the loan amount you would like to request here. Use your funding gap as a starting point. So this is the funding gap is if you enter funding gap, like if you want $44,000 for my loan, if I agree, I press agree and continue. Do you have any additional debts? No. And we have to accept all the resources here. Yeah, review your details. Okay, review your details and submit. So generally Empower Financing will provide a loan for every 1 year. If I get $44,000, then uh, here I have given approval. So if I request, I can ask Empower for from $44,000 to $99,500. So depends upon your requirements. You can ask how much you want. For example, if I ask for $44,000, they will credit into my account when I arrive to USA. I mean, generally, United States, the Empower Financing will send money to college directly, and they will take the college tuition fee, and the remaining balance should be sent to our account. So, for example, if I ask for $44,000 in first semester of my masters, the Empower will send $22,000 to college, and for example, if my college have 10,000 college fees, so remaining $12,000 would be sent to my account. So this is the amount which you are asking for 1 year. So for example, I am asking for 44,000 and confirm and request amount. For which term you are asking, you have to mention here spring 24 and fall 2024, like this we have to mention here, and uh, select and confirm. Like it's like for 2 semesters it's $44,000, so every semester it's $22,000. So that's it. We have to apply we have to upload the passport and the documents which are required. They don't ask for any assets, just it asks for passport